Welcome. If you've ever wondered what happens to emails deemed suspicious or unwanted in your Gmail, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go step by step through how you can easily view your spam emails on the Gmail app, so you'll never miss an important message accidentally filtered away. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. The familiar red and white envelope icon should be easy to spot. Once you're inside Gmail, take a look at the very top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is known as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that menu icon. A sidebar will slide out, revealing all your Gmail folders, like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and more. Now, scroll down through this list. Keep going until you spot the folder labeled Spam. It's usually found further down, beneath the primary folders. Tap on Spam, and just like that, you'll enter the folder where Gmail automatically diverts emails it thinks are junk or potentially dangerous. Inside the spam folder, you'll see a list of emails that Gmail's filters have caught. Some of them truly belong there, but sometimes important messages can end up here by mistake. Take a careful look through these emails. If you spot a message from a friend, colleague, or service you recognize, open it up. At the top, you'll often see an option to mark it Not Spam, which sends the email right back to your main inbox. You also have the choice to delete unwanted emails in bulk, or wait. Gmail will automatically erase spam messages after 30 days. Checking this folder every so often ensures you aren't missing anything crucial and helps you keep your main inbox clutter-free. There you have it. Checking your spam folder on the Gmail app is a simple process, but it can make a huge difference in making sure you never miss out on an important email. Give it a try today and stay in control of your inbox.